everyone. Today we will study about Nino da Cunha, which was a Portuguese governor, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, assumed office in November 1529. Shifted Portuguese headquarters from Cochin to Goa. Now, the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat in 1534 ceded the island of Basin with its dependency and revenue due to conflict with Mughal Emperor Humayun and promised based in Diu. So, because of a conflict with Mughal Emperor Humayun, Bahadur Shah ceded or give away the island of Basin to a Portuguese. So, this is also important point. Bahadur Shah was killed in 1537 in ship for negotiating of a wall of partition. Now, settling many Portuguese and Hooghly at headquarters in Bengal. Now, some important points. In south port of Portuguese, Mangalore, Kannur, Cochin and Calcutta were. Military post and settlement at Saint Home, Chennai and Nagapattinam. Jesuit fathers Rodolfo Aquario and Antonio Monastery were selected for Akbar court in Fatehpur Sikri. They reached on 28 to 1580 back in 1583. Second mission was in 1590 back in 1592. And the third mission in 1595 at Lahore, Fathers Jerome Xavier and Emmanuel Pinheiro. Now in 1606, Jahangir gave spacious church at Lahore to retain priest residence. So these are the important points for your history topic which can be asked in many exams. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.